Hello friends, here's Botany next episode. We are proceeding with the NCERT Quick Reference. And today we'll be discussing plant kingdom, Gymnosperm. So plant kingdom, Gymnosperm, that is 6th episode in plant kingdom. Entire Gymnosperm we'll try to finish today itself. The sense in this episode. Today I'm putting 2 questions for NEET practice at 4:15 p.m. to MCQ question and with the key also. So to get all these, subscribe, Botany, like it, share it, comment on it. And all references based on December 2024 NCERT Reprint Edition, December 2024. That seems to be latest edition of NCERT. And for convenience, I will share the screen so it will be easy for you. We can also save time. I think the screen came, so we can proceed. Okay, so we're starting with the plant kingdom 6th Gymnosperm Quick Reference. So the term Gymnosperm that is coined by father of botany, that is Theophrastus. And what's the meaning of the term Gymnosperm? Gymnosperm means plants with a naked seed. Why they are naked? No ovary. So no fruit. So seeds are naked. Anyway, seed started, but no fruit. Now, habitat and habit of Gymnosperm. Gymnosperm, comparatively a small group of plants. Generally, perennials, living for more time, even years, more woody in nature. Then they prefer low temperature. But remember, some grows in different climate and temperature also. And they're supposed to be first spermatophyte, seed-bearing plants, but no fruit, no ovary. Same as the smallest Gymnosperm, sequoia is the largest, tallest, and lifespan of sequoia is even able to cross 3,000 years. When plant body is diploid, that is 405. And when we come to root system, 3 types we can generally find the sense. Mainly they are taproot. But in cycas, we can find corollary root. They are negatively geotrophic, corollary root. And some microorganisms also seen in this cycas roots. In pinus, we can find mycorrhizal root, fungus. And in mycorrhizal root, we can find no root cap, no root hair, symbiotic in nature. So cycas root, corollary root, we can find blue-green algae. Pinus, we can find fungus. I think I made it clear. Now leaves, when we take leaves may be simple or compound or even needle shape. And they're well adapted to withstand extremes of temperature, humidity, and wind. Theory and question. I think first page is clear, so we can proceed to second page. So when we come to second page, cycas, that is pinnate leaves, conifers, needle-shaped leaf, and ginkgo, it is fan-shaped and bilobed. Now, importance of needle-like leaves reduces surface area. So thick cuticle will be there, sun and stomata will be there. So this all helps to reduce water loss. So adaptation. And when we come to stem of cycas, it is unbranched. While pinus and citrus, it is branched. And where we can find presence of long and dwarf shoots. Gymnosperms are heterospores. 2 types of spores. Main plant body is sporophyte or sporophytic body. Xylem and phloem can be seen. So vasculature is seen. And reproduction is vegetative, asexual, and sexual. Below it, we can find different gymnosperms. That is in classification, Psychotopsida, Coniferopsida, Ginkgopsida, and Nitopsida. With the plant's name, plant's habit, everything I given there, so it will be easy for you. Now, cycas, a brief description is given. That is living fossil, dioecious, and we can find bulbils, vegetative reproduction, no female cone in cycas, largest male and female gamete, largest ovule, and the male gametes are multiciliate and top-shaped. Cycas often called living fossil due to some primitive character, even though plant is advanced. Gymnosperm, pinus. Looks like Christmas tree and monoecious. Cycas is dioecious. Pinus is monoecious. Next is winged pollen grains, and wings are modified extents, so helps in wind pollination. And sulfur shower or yellow shower, referring to pollen grains of pinus. Then polyembryon also see many embryos. Okay, I think I did clear. Now we can proceed to next page. Ginkgo. When we come to ginkgo, again another living fossil, fan-shaped bilobed leaves, often called maidenhair tree, pagoda tree, and ginkgo biloba is dioecious. Presence of long shoot and dwarf shoot. Seeds will be large and orange colored. Seeds only, no fruit. It is a gymnosperm. Then a female plant we can find. Next is a neetum. Neetum is supposed to be most advanced gymnosperm. Some characters are similar to angiosperm. Example, xylem vessel, broad leaves, photosynthetic capacity. Some members are lianas. Then mostly dioecious. Now reproduction, when we come to reproduction, it is vegetative, sexual, or asexual. Vegetative reproduction is less. Example, fleshy bulbils and cycles. In asexual mode, spores may be produced. Now sexual reproduction we can find here. It is bulbils. Now sexual reproduction. Pollination is anemophilous, wind pollination. Ovule is orthotropous or straight. Taproot also we can find. Gymnosperms are heterosporous in nature. Naturally, microspores and megaspores will be there. This is how they arrange. Spores in microsporangia, microsporophyll, that will be forming lax or compact strobilia or male cones. Similarly, female side, spores of megasporangia, megasporophyll, female strobilia or cone. Now, when we come to pinus, male and female strobilia on same tree. So monoecious that way. Cycas, male cone, and megasporophyll, no female cone, born on different trees, that is dioecious. Now, next is microsporogenesis. Microspore mother cell, MMC, undergo meiosis, microspore saprolite, gametophyte, highly reduced, only limited number of cells, then it develops into pollen grains. I think I did clear. Now we can proceed to next page. Okay, now megasporogenesis. Again, megaspore mother cell differentiate one of the cell in nucellus. Nucellus is protected by envelope that is connected with the ovule. The ovules are born on megasporophyll and may form female cone or strobilia. So megaspore mother cell undergo meiosis, 4 megaspores. One of the megaspore enclosed within megasporangium develops into multicellular female gametophyte that bears 2 or more archegonia. All this given in NCERT. Multicellular female gametophyte also retained within the megasporangium. Page number 33. Now, next is in gymnosperm, male and female gametophyte have no independent free living existence. Important because they are advanced. They will attach within sporangia retained on the sporophytes, diploid plant body. Now, pollen grains. So, pollen grains released from the microsporangium carried by air current, wind pollination, animophilia, come in contact with the opening of the ovule born on megasporophylls. Pollen tube opening. See, this is important. Now, pollen tube carrying the male gametes grow towards archegonia in the ovules and discharge their content near the mouth of the archegonia. It's another important one. Fertilization will be there, zygote, embryo. The ovule develops into a seed. Seeds are naked. Now, general aspects of gymnosperm, economic side. Chilgosa, edible seeds of Pinus gerardiana. Paper and timber works, softwood in gymnosperms. Then Taxol, an anti-cancerous drug from the plant Taxus brevifolia, previous question, yew tree. Canada balsam from Abies balsamiae, and that is connected with a type of turpentine. Now, coming into last part, that is life cycle. So, starting with the spore, male, micro, mega, then pollen grain, female gametophyte, male gamete, archegonia, female gamete. Fusion will be taken by zygote, so sporophyte generation begins. Zygote into embryo, seed, sporophyte. Again, male cone, female cone, if it is there, microsporophyll, microsporangia, microspore mother cell, similarly female side, and again meiosis at microspore mother cell and megaspore mother cell, meiosis, and diploid starts in zygote. This is how the life cycle. I think I did clear. And if you like this episode, subscribe, Botany, like it, share it, comment on it. We can continue the next episode. So take care. Bye. Thank you.